After the successful launch of Chandrayaan-2, ISRO has announced its first mission to study the surface of the Sun. It will be launched in 2020. What is the mission called? And the answer is Aditya L1. What does 1,48,576 bytes equal? And the answer is a megabyte. Where did the large loose garment known as the poncho originate? And the answer is South America. The Angkor Vat temple is the largest religious monument ever built. Where is it situated? And the answer is Cambodia. Seoul is the capital city of North Korea. True or false? And the answer is false. Which is the capital city of South Indian state of Telangana? And the answer is Hyderabad. The digital payment system known as UPI is now commonly accepted across merchants and businesses. What does UPI stands for? And the answer is Unified Payments Interface. Which British Prime Minister was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature? And the answer is Winston Churchill. India's lightest bulletproof jacket was launched at the Police Expo 2019. It can withstand bullets fired from an AK-47 rifle. What is the jacket called? And the answer is Bhaba Kavach. The Ministry of New and Renewable Energy launched a scheme to encourage farmers to use and generate solar power this year. What is it called? And the answer is PM Kusum. What is the hybrid offspring of male zebra and female horse called? And the answer is Zorse. Who is first Indian origin person to be take charge as the Home Secretary for new UK government under Boris Johnson? And the answer is Priti Patel. India celebrates the National Broadcasting Day every year to commemorate the first ever radio broadcast in the country, which went live in 1927. Which day is it celebrated on? And the answer is 23rd July. What is the currency of South Africa called? And the answer is Rand. Indian players Harmit Desai and Ahika Mukherjee won the gold at 2019 Commonwealth Championship. Which sport did they play? And the answer is table tennis. She is a former international tennis player and has represented India at the Deaflympics. She has now become the first Indian to win the Miss Deaf World pageant. Who is she? And the answer is Vidisha Balian. The Dash Dash in Delhi was inaugurated on 25th Feb 2019. It is a structure comprising of four concentric circles: Amar Chakra, Virta Chakra, Yak Chakra, and Rakshak Chakra, filling the blanks. And the answer is National War Memorial. Who is the author of best-selling books Sapiens and Homo Deus? And the answer is Yuval Noah Harari. India recently launched its second moon mission Chandrayaan-2. Which part of the moon will be researched in this mission? And the answer is South Pole. Dr. Abdul Kalam visited a country of 26 May 2005 and they declared it as their National Science Day. Which country was it? And the answer is Switzerland. Watch our other videos. If you have any questions, leave a comment. We will answer it in next Q&A video. Please support us. Like, share, comment, subscribe and press the bell icon.